This conference will now be recorded.
पार्वती कंदने ओ सुमुखा सिद्धि बुद्धि गणाधिदैव नीनु विद्यांशिगण प्रिय दैव नीनु सिद्धि बुद्धि गणाधिदैव नीनु विद्यांशिगण प्रिय दैव नीनु मौन समर्पणे निन्न भजिपेनु मौन समर्पणे निन्न भजिपेनु ಮೋದರಿ ಗರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆಗೈವೆನು ಪಾರ್ವತೀಂದ್ರನೇ ಓ ಸುಮುಖ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಕಂದನೆ ಓ ಸುಮುಖ ದಾನವಾಂತಕ ಶುಭವರ ಬೆನಕ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಕಂದನೆ ಓ ಸುಮುಖ. Thank you.
Beautiful, Shishira. Thank you for invoking God so well and initiating this day and this celebration in such a good way. Thank you, Shishira dear. Thank you, dear. So let me welcome all the guests, all the participants here. So let me start welcoming Mr. Rangarajan sir. Rangarajan, we are ex-Infosys China CEO, and we are very happy to have you, sir. It's the same day that we started the college, June 6, 2011, and you were also part of it. And today we are meeting once again. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. I also welcome Mr. Ahalad Reddy, Manager Director of New Wave Technologies Limited, India. Welcome, Ahalad. I also welcome Mr. Subraya, ex-Vice President, Infosys and Head of Global Education Center. I welcome Babar Ali, the world's youngest headmaster. I also welcome Anbalagan sir and Vijayalakshmi madam, our well-wisher and scientist from CFTRI. I also welcome Sudhakar sir, AGM from BEML. I welcome Malti, the Principal, Infosys Global Education Center, and Kirti, Technology Head from Infosys. I welcome Mr. Balasubramaniam, ex-DGM from L&T. I also welcome Mr. Nandakumar, Advisory Board Member and always a well-wisher of learners. I welcome Nishant K. Gautam sir, the Chairman of All India Corporate Council for Skill Development and Advisory Board Member and also a well-wisher for learners. I welcome Shiv Shankar sir, the founder of People Tree and Advisory Board Member of learners. I also welcome Mr. Bhanu Pratap and Sunil Kumar, always a supporting pillar for learners right before the inception of this organization, I should say. I also would like to extend my welcome, my gratitude to all my alumni of batch 2011 who have joined this gathering. This gathering is not possible without your presence. So I welcome all my dear students of batch 2011. Thank you for making this event happen. And also all the remaining batches that have joined us. And we are very happy to have you, to see your names right now. Of course, I can't see you, but I can see your name and I can imagine you all sitting there and be the part of this event. I also want to welcome all the current students of Learners PU College and all the parents and all my supporting parents who are always there with learners. And also I want to welcome all the faculties, teaching, non-teaching faculty, and all those faculties for so whatever reason. Now, if you are in Kerala, if you are in Chandigarh, I welcome all of you as well. And also always the well-wishers and supporters of learners. This organization has taken this milestone because of the support and love and affection from all of you. I welcome you all. It's a great honor to have you all here. I request Murli sir to say a few words about the institution. I know it cannot be summarized in few words. It's impossible because this is our heart and soul. But I still request at least 2 lines as we have a limitation of time. So I request sir to just give me 2 lines to address the audience.
Yeah. Thank you, Madhavi. Ellargu namaste. I really can't express in words how grateful we are for all your kind support and blessings. thank you once again for joining this event today. All the people. I cannot use names because there are so many people. If I think of our journey, there are so many people. So if I start telling all of that, I think probably I need this maybe entire day. So I thank everybody for helping us in this journey. There is a long way to go. We expect your continuous support and blessings. So I think I request Madam, because if I start telling the story, I don't know where to stop and where to start as well. I still remember the day we got license. It is an ex-MLC's Madhusudan sir's office that you got the permission to start a PU college. Then I went back to China and informing to Ranga about this. And from that I can remember. Then Ranga has come, and I remember inauguration day, early morning 5:30. He had come to the college and interacted with our students. And all of them are stars, Ranga. Now I think you can see them in this event. So like that, there are so many people in this journey. So I think maybe I will connect each and every person who has helped us in this journey one-on-one to express our gratitude and sincere thanks to all of you. Maybe in this event, let the event go on, because we have a very packed agenda with alumni and all the well wishers. So once again, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. I know it cannot be summarized in one line or 1 minute. Definitely, it needs minimum 1 month to recall and to assemble all our words for our well wishes. So let us, as this is an inaugural event, we would love to have a idea of what we are going to have throughout the year that we'll be having the celebration. But let us start with, I request Rangarajan sir to address the gathering. And Rangarajan sir, as sir mentioned, and I also mentioned, from day one of this college, he was present and he has been taking updates of the institution every now and then. And also we'll be sending you the details of all that first batch students and how well they have come up. And they also remembered when I called them that Rangarajan sir also will be here. They all were super excited.
Welcome.
I see Subraya sir.
Namaste.
Welcome sir for the event. And
Professor, good morning,
yes.
Professor.
And I request Rangarajan sir to address the gathering.
So even before we start Learners PU College, we had a Learners Corner. So even to start, I went and discussed with Professor Subraya, because I was working in Infosys at that time. He said, Murli, please go ahead. This is, is going to serve the people. So Professor Subraya is here. He has been continuously supporting us and guiding. He's our advisory board member. Thank you, Professor Subraya, for joining. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you, sir. I request Rangarajan sir to address the gathering.
Babar, okay, 1 second. Introduce Babar.
Babar sir has also joined.
Babar, can you please switch on your video? Babar? Yeah. So Babar Ali is the world's youngest headmaster. All PU students, you study about Babar, his biography as a lesson in English. Now he is here with us. Welcome, Babar. You're on mute, Babar. Please unmute. He is joining from West Bengal, Murshidabad.
Thank you.
Thank you, Babar. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome, Babar sir. So let's have Rangarajan sir. I request sir to address the gathering. So sir is not.
Sorry, I couldn't hear in between and I dropped off. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, Ranga. Your video we cannot
Yeah.
see. Yeah. We can see.
Okay. I don't know what you said. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me to this gathering. And I remember 10 years ago in Mysore, I came to the initial event and we planted a tree. And I came back and I saw that, that tree has grown and now we are in 10th year. And it's really marvelous and it's a dream that that Murli had, and both of you have done a wonderful job with so many well wishers around you. It's a great achievement, and this is a milestone. And I wish the next part of the dream is all about unveiling a master campus and becoming online. And I'm sure all of them will become true. And because as I remember, I think in China, Murli always had the passion to teach, and he also had a passion to open a school. Of course, there were a lot of other challenges that he had to overcome to get there, but it has always been that he had that passion from a long time, and he has been always in the academics. Even while he was in Infosys, his focus was on how to develop, train people, make them productive, make them a continuous learner, and that has been his focus. And both of them coming together, with Madhavi also, it has been, I think it's, made for each other, and it is also the passion both of you have towards teaching and grooming kids, and that has taken you along from humble beginning to what you are today with respect to the school. You left your job and took up this work, and it is also a lot of challenges with respect to getting through the regulation rules, getting the licenses to have the schools. These are all unknowns. So you've crossed all of them and reached this stage. I'm sure this one decade, it's a decade of hard work that you put in, and the next decade will be the decade where definitely you will see all the dreams that you had at that time would come true. And because every thing that we take up, so it goes in different path. We might think we want to achieve in 3 years, 4 years, but it might take 7 years, 10 years. But there is always a non-linearity to what we want to achieve, and there will be sometimes it will be flat, and then suddenly we will see it's going up. But I can see at that time probably we had about 15, 20 students. I don't remember now. But it's a small group of students. But now you can see in the call about 180 people, and that itself shows the in 10 years the amount of achievement that you have created. I mean, the amount of people, the talent that you have created and contributed to the industry, as well as the professionals that who can do a lots of different things across. I saw that initial one is I saw people are working in different profession. Some are in software, some are working in, some are doing their own civil contractor, or different kinds of things that people are doing. That shows that you have tried to build some kind of an all-round capability, and they are still attached with the institution, and that is also a wonderful achievement. And as the name suggests, learning is a lifelong process. And Murli he has always told me that, whatever be wherever I go, I look at online education or, schools, there is a need to increase the level of understanding of fundamentals in students. And that has been his focus. And I'm sure that whatever sometimes I spent to understand what are the things, how he is looking at increasing the fundamentals to the students. That is amazing, and that we must continue. And I hope that will become the most important thing is maintaining the same quality and building the scale. These are two challenges. So how you can achieve that is the next challenge for you in the next 10 years. You cannot compromise on the quality of education that you are imparting to them. But with that, you got to achieve scale. And that challenge is something that you can solve by bringing some elements of online interactivity with the students, and also bringing the new experience. I'm sure there will be some who will be ready to come and share what you taught. There will be some of them who may be ready to become teachers. And when you bring them also on board, I'm sure it will become a multiplying effect, that you can bring that multiplying effect into the organization. And I wish that you spread this what you are doing as a school to enable them to do looking at new areas of getting them into IITs and medical colleges and all other repute that you can bring. And over a period of time, as you think, there will also, you can look at, having a goal of having a college, the degree as well as the next step that you can think of, how you can make them really good professionals by a system of education that will make learning as a method by which people will have that curiosity to learn and continue to increase their value by getting assimilating a lot of knowledge around them. So I wish you all the best and wish all of you good health and the same energy and enthusiasm to continue for another decade to make a great contribution to the country in building such a high quality education institution. I wish you all the best, Murli and Madhvi, and all of you. And thank you all the people who have kind of contributed to such building such an institution with passion. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your such an encouragement and also mission and vision for us for the next things to achieve. Definitely, we'll keep consider those things as our next milestone, and definitely we need your guidance also for that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I have my few alumni who are very, very excited to address. So I request our Nandan of batch 2011-13, the first batch, to address our whole gathering. Nandan dear.
Nandan, you're on mute. Please unmute.
Good morning,
Yeah.
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, sir. Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Good.
Good.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
It's happy to. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Yeah. It's happy to see my learners family today. Starting from Murli sir, Madhvi ma'am, Anbu sir, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Rangarajan sir, Sudhakar sir, Ramurthy sir. So it's a nostalgic feeling that I'm having right now. Even I'm having goosebumps as well. On this day back in 2011, we all started Learners College. That's what Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am told me. We all. That means the family. So I always see learners as my family because Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am, they always make sure that we are the part of all the functions that happens, all the things happens in learners. So and I would like to say thank you to all of my lecturers, include Madhvi ma'am, Murli sir, Ramurthy sir, Sunil sir, and Pramod sir. So there are a lot of people who helped us to be the good person in the society right now. So currently, I'm working as a senior software developer in the Envision financial system. So where I am right now, it's all because of learners. I was in the level 0 when I entered learners. So I didn't had any what do you call any guts or anything to stand in front of anyone and to speak. So now I'm leading my own team and I'm leading the entire project alone. So all these things I got it from learners. Murli sir always he used to tell one thing: give a man a fish, you will feed him for a day. Teach him how to fish, you will teach him for a life. Murli sir and learners college taught us how to fish, and and I am leading my life because of this. So there are a lot of things that I enjoyed in learners. Being a hostelite is a very, very big positive note, and then uh, a very advantage for me was that we used to spend extra time with our lecturers, and we used to spend a lot of time with other people who comes to our college, like Kirti sir from Infosys and Pramod sir, uh, Raghu sir, and there are a lot of people. There are a lot of people I want to remember on this day. all these people helped us a lot even after a college. So I have never seen any person or any college who spends time with the students after college hours. And I would like to say one thing is that my college is my pride, and I'm very proud that I am the student of Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am. And even today, I attend Murli sir's and Madhvi ma'am's class. Last year, I was preparing for my GRE, so I was going through a probability concept. At the same time, I got a notification from YouTube that Murli sir, teaching probability. Without second thought, I attended his class, and I even attended a C++ class of Madhvi ma'am's as well. So still today, I would like to be a part of their teaching classes. And one message to the my young juniors is that keep studying and always believe in yourself. You can do anything, and if I can achieve all the things from learners, yes, you can do. You guys don't know, we wrote test in the midnight 12 a.m. and it was corrected on spot at 2 a.m. and the remarks was given at 3 a.m. Yeah, we were taught in that way. You will be taught in that way. Don't think it is hectic for you. It's all for your good. And one more thing, I know your second PU exams are cancelled and you guys are being promoted. Don't take it for granted, because second PU is the base. So Murli sir also used to tell one thing: today is a monkey. If you can't handle monkey, tomorrow is a gorilla. You can't handle the gorilla. So PU is a monkey. If you can't know anything about the monkey, you are not going to do anything in your degree life. So all the best to all my young juniors, and thank you Murli sir, and thank you each and every one of my lecturers and all my learners college. And one more thing, learners college management or Murli sir, they never treated as the students or anything. They treated as our family members, including from Murli sir to the watchman family which we had in our campus. Everyone treated as their own family, and I'm very thankful to them. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir. Thank you, Anbu sir. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi ma'am. And Rangarajan sir, and I still remember your speech at 5 a.m. So I'm very happy to see you today.
Thank you,
Nandan. Nandan, I can't believe that you are speaking, right?
Our Chota
Yes, sir. Yes, I know.
Namaskara, sir. I remember your dialect.
And one more thing,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do.
yesterday when I was trying to contact Nandan, he was unreachable because he was doing all this relief work for the COVID people. He was generating funds and he was visiting orphanage center. So I was so happy, like my children, our children have grown up to such a good citizen. So very happy to know.
This is what our country needs.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's all because of the moral lessons that I got from Nagaraj sir. So, with the help of all 80 people last week, I was able to raise 1 lakh rupees for the God-gifted children, and yesterday I hand over the check to them.
Great, Nandan.
Very good,
Excellent.
Nandan. This is what
We are proud of you.
we expect. And we also have, thank you, Nandan. And also we have one more alumni who is also right now at the COVID front. She is a medical student right now at
Doctor.
Jamnagar. Yeah, she's a doctor doing her MD at Jamnagar. She's posted at Jamnagar, Gujarat. And she has a COVID duty, but we asked her, then she said, yes, ma'am, for learners, I can definitely come for 10 minutes and definitely talk and reconnect with all my people. So I request Suchitra from Jamnagar doing the COVID duty. Can we have you here, dear?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, yes. Your camera is on, dear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, you look pretty, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can
So,
share.
good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, Murli sir, Madhvi ma'am, and Anbu sir, and greetings to everyone, and my best wishes for my friends and juniors. So today is like 10th anniversary of our learners, and it is a special day. And on this special day, I would like to share a few things about learners. Learners is just a great. It's just a great platform where it helps to improve our understanding skills. Okay, so with strategies like 5W1H, that is why, where, when, who, what, and how, but there is no room for by hearting things. You will be taught until your concept is clear. And I still remember how Murli sir taught us parabola, not only solving problems of parabola, but also its practical applications. So, you know, uh, you will grow when you understand things, when you study for yourself. Don't study just because you want to beat someone or your parents pressurize you. Study for yourself and improve yourself day by day. So compete with yourself, not other. So you should be competing with yourself and trying to improve yourself day by day. So this is the platform where you get to improve yourself in learners, and your understanding skills, everything will improve. As a person, you will improve. And also one more thing, Murli sir wanted me to share with you all about my YouTube channel. So I'm running a YouTube channel called Ayurveda Tales, where I'm trying to connect to people and create awareness about Ayurveda. Because Ayurveda is a unique science, there is a concept called Prakriti. So each and every person is different from one another. So it differs. So the treatment and the diet plan also changes according to individual. So this is not like any other pathis where we treat only symptoms and disease. We treat the patient. So here the Ayurveda starts from when you wake up till you sleep. It also includes your day-to-day lifestyle, how to um, how should be your diet and your lifestyle in according to seasons. Everything changes according to seasons, according to day and day. So I recommend you all to go through my channel once. So since I'm busy with my COVID duty and my thesis work, I'm not able to post most of the videos. But please go through. I will be resuming it within few days and posting new videos. And I'm so happy after 10 years. I really don't feel like it's been 10 years. I just feel like I just went out of learners just yesterday. So thank you, Madhvi ma'am and Murli sir, giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Suchitra. Thank you for taking your time out from the COVID duty. And we are very happy to have you. And we could accommodate 2 alumni, but all the other alumni also are equally interested to address. But we can have one more dedicated session. Yes, Murli sir.
Suchitra, I remember you and Alagu used to live in this room. We are sitting in your room and talking today.
Yeah.
Yes.
And just she got the state second rank in MD entrance recently, and joined very one of the top institute in Gujarat, Jamnagar. Please continue your good work. Wish you good luck, Suchitra. We are very proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. I even met Anbu sir in my UG college. He was coming for treatment, and he also told me to come to his house, but because of my schedules, I was not able to go to his house. Sorry, sir. I will definitely come after finishing my MD.
But wherever you are in our hearts, Suchitra.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
You are the stalwarts of PU learners PU college. A very exciting journey. After seeing Nandan, you and all, I'm just seeing that one more Nag was there, no, who joined as a medical student. I don't know, in Mangalore. Nikhil
is the one.
Yeah,
he is in UK.
He is in London
now. See, this is what it's all about. So nice.
Thank you, Suchitra. So now we have a very beautiful event from one of our current second year student, Parvashri. So I request Parvashri, as actually she was about to perform live, but there was some emergency that she could not perform live, but she has sent us her recording. So let us have her recording.
Ready? Laptop on.
I think I have been muting myself. Yeah, just a second. We'll just be connecting. So we are really looking forward to have a big gathering where all this social distancing norms and all will not be there, so that we can have those events how we used to have earlier. Really, we feel bad like connecting one after the other, or cutting down on the time as we have a dedicated limited time. But definitely we'll have a beautiful gathering, waiting for this whole situation to normalize. But as everybody says, whatever is the situation given to you, put it in your advantageous form. So this is what we are doing, and I'm sure you all are also doing the same. So I want all the students community who are listening, who have joined us, the previous alumni or the current student, you should see what your alumni have to say. You should listen to what your leaders have to say today, because there is a lot of learning right now going on. And I can see Ahalad Reddy is there. Let me tell you, my first batch students, you and Ahalad are of same age, I guess. That's what I was telling Murli sir. I don't know, should I call him as Ahalad Reddy or just sir, or just by...
No, just call me Jisarlat, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So I think we have Parvashri. Yeah, let's enjoy beautiful classical dance performance from Parvashri.
I think you need to share the screen now. Red.
Thank you, Parvashri. It's a beautiful, always a pleasure to watch a classical dance. Thanks a lot for bringing it right now for us. Thanks a lot. And anyway, this is a journey that we are discussing right now, and I think this journey is impossible because we need to have the great pillars, which are our teachers. So we always have great respect for all the teachers of Learners PU College, right from the inception till now. So there are many teachers who have, because of one reason or the other, or because of transfer or something, they have moved on. But we have many great teachers who have stayed back right from the day of inception of this institution. I would say we have Mr. Mahadev sir, who joined us before the building also was being constructed. When the building was halfway constructed, he joined us. We have Nagaraj sir also, who is with us from the since from the inception, even before inception, I can say they are the pillars for this organization. I request Mahadev Swami sir to address this gathering, and of course I have a list of all the faculties. So as we have a time constraint, this we'll have just 2 or 3 faculties to address. I request Mahadev Swami sir to please on your video, and you can please address, share your views.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. We can't see your video.
But in mine it is on, ma'am. But
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sorry, you're visible. Please go ahead, sir.
yeah. Good morning. Myself, Mahadev Swami. I'm working as a biology faculty in the Learners View College from 2011. Okay, I will try to tell something about whatever I am able to remember, some good things, whatever it is happened for the last 10 years. This Learners College dream started for Murli sir in 1991. That 30 years back. And again, it is taken a shape of Learners Corner in the 2006. And it is started as a full-fledged college in 2011. My journey started with Learners College, April 10, 2011. I have visited Learners College, let's say, opportunity given by. Before that, I meet Murli sir, Anbalagan sir, Sudhakar, Girish, and Ismail sir. These are all the people when I interacted with them. They considered me, and Murli sir gave me opportunity to join Learners View College. From that day, my journey started with learners. Okay. The Learners College, let's see the main achievements when we joined at 2011. Our admission number will be 24 with the science stream, that is 11 plus 13, means PCMB and PCMC. Okay, now we reach at the level of 225 to 230. That's what 11. It's not audible, please?
No, we are not able to see you.
Then it is not audible?
No, your sound is there, but your picture is not coming.
Yeah, you're audible, but video is not visible.
But it is connected for me. Yeah.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Please go ahead.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, that's what with 11 and 30 number, now we are able to reach at least 90 plus 40. Okay, at the range of 90 plus 40, that's PCMB and PCMC. What may be the reason? Like if I list out some few reasons for this all achievement, the way of advance and different thinking of Murli sir, and the hundreds of well-wishers supporting for Murli sir without expecting anything. In addition to that, many days of sleepless nights of Murli sir maybe. He is 24/7. Always I feel like in whatever I observed for last 10 years, like from the day one till today, always he is thinking about either a college or a class or how to improve the student. Okay, all these things may be one of the reason. And even in addition to that, whatever may be the student, when they come to the college, first thing is identify their basics, whether they're strong, okay, or weak. We can consider them and make them improve their basics and make them more comfortable. In addition to that, okay, study technology, whatever we are using, like a mind map, either 5W1, okay, 5W1H, all these things. In addition to that, all the teachers, non-teaching staff, and the group people, they are working like a, the kids like a best way, the way of teaching. And even I observed in many colleges, no college like a taken so much care about the students. I observed that, and even I am able to notice that no college will take such a care about the student. And even whatever we conducting, either a PTM, okay, and the support from the many parents and student support also we got very well. But sometimes there will be a few complaints, maybe that is not because of the our side, it is like some miscommunication. After that, even they ask, feel sorry, like all those things are happened. And even another thing I can observe, I personally called some of the few students of even 2011 batch. The way they responded, I got the same way of approach and respect, the way of teaching. I'm happy to hear those things and all, even that I observed. And even some of our students from the first batch itself, after the second, third batch, many are now become a professionalist. Some are joined some IT company like even Infosys, TCS, and others, and many are become a doctors and serving. Okay, and all these things, what we are observed achievement, we are happy to see all those things. And even whenever we are moving outside, also students are coming and talking to us, and they're sharing their thoughts and views and what they are doing. And in addition to that, finally I would like to tell one thing, like even our college is like a Mall of Mysore. What will feel like once if you enter into that, you are going to get many things in a single place, like our integrated way of thinking. It is start with the basics, board, CET, NEET, and IIT thing. It is provided in a single platform. That's a one good advantages what we are observing in the learners. And even some of our 2011 or 12 batch students, they got settled in their life, and many other kids also their life they settled. And even for our new building, we are planning to start a school, and also even they can put their kids in our classes only. That also we can expect. Okay, but this I can talk like a hours together, like whatever I experience. But with this few things, I can try to conclude my words. And Murli sir and Madhi ma'am, thank you very much me providing me this opportunity to tell some few words. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Mahadev, thank you very much for all your hard work, dedication, and great contributions. Thank you, Mahadev.
Thank you. Thank you.
He took care of entire construction, our hostel, everything as a single man, administration, teaching, so many things. We were in China at that time when we started this college. He and along with some other supports like Pramod, Sudhakar, so many other people, Anbu sir, you handled very well, Mahadev. We really appreciate all your contributions. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahadev sir. You are always a star in learners, no doubt on that.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes. So when this concept of 10th year celebration came to our mind, so all our teachers, all our faculties came out with an idea. Why don't we have certain competitions, certain events, so that the students also feel excited about it? Considering that yesterday was a environmental day, we had 4 competitions conducted, and we'll be announcing the results also today. For what are the prices and all, I request Divya Rani ma'am to please address all the students who are really excited to know what will be the prizes given to them. Divya Rani ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Good morning, one and all present in this event. Firstly, I would like to congratulate our Learners Institution on completing 10 years. Happy anniversary to our institution and happy Environmental Day. Let us all take the pledge of taking care of our Mother Nature and protect her through our actions. As ma'am said, we conducted a series of competitions on account of Environmental Day and Learners' 10th anniversary. I really would like to appreciate all our children for their active participation, and I must say that they are all multi-talented. They are really talented. And winners of this competitions will be winners of these competitions will be getting learners gift coupons of worth 500 rupees for the first place, 300 rupees for the second place, and 200 rupees for the third place. And all the participants will get 100 rupees worth learners gift coupons. Winners of these various competitions will be announced throughout the event, and I wish all good luck to all the participants. Stay till the end, enjoy the event, and have a great time. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for briefing about what all the students will be expecting after the results are announced. And I request Professor Subraya sir to announce the result of photography. And this event was very keenly and very properly executed by Rachita ma'am and Keshav sir, and also judged by our great talented photographer, Mr. Anbalagan sir. So thanks a lot for this trio team. I request Professor Subraya sir to announce the result.
So very good morning to all of you. Thank you very much, Mrs. Madhavi. First of all, my sincere appreciation at the same time, the congrats and then happy anniversary, that is 10th anniversary. Mr. Murali, of course, I know him very well at different stages. And then, he has done a wonderful job conceptualizing the concept of education. And then probably he is the man behind in terms of planning, in terms of strategizing, and probably driving the entire the concept of learning strategy. That is culminated at PU Learners College. And of course, at the front end, somebody has to drive. And I know that is Mrs. Madhavi. She is very dynamic, and then she's always the force behind the entire scenario. And today, if you really see that, how the students are performing and the kind of achievements that they are achieving at different levels, it's a great achievement. 10 years, of course, it's really mind-boggling. As a phenomenal growth, there's no doubt about it. I know that there's a lot of challenges you've faced probably while driving this, but ultimately the end result is the the kind of satisfaction they achieve. Probably I'll take this opportunity once again to thank Mr. Murali and then Mrs. Madhavi having invited me. And at the same time, you created this environment, this platform where I could see Mr. Rangarajan, to whom I have interacted very well when I was in China. Probably this is a great opportunity. So again, I'll just the kind of task given to me is a wonderful task. I know that there are 3 musketeers, who won this particular prize, and I would like to call upon the third prize. Third prize goes to Mr. Wiss Smith. Wiss Smith, the third prize in the competition, what is called as photography. Theme is ecology restoration. Once again, let me repeat, the third prize goes to Wiss Smith. Wiss Smith, are you there? So congratulations and best wishes, Wiss Smith. Now the second prize goes to Yashwant Amarnath. The competition is photography. Theme is ecology restoration. The second prize, let me repeat, it goes to Yashwant Amarnath. Congratulations, Yashwant. And the best prize, the first prize in this team, it goes to Gautam Prabhu. Gautam Prabhu. Let me repeat, Mr. Gautam Prabhu, you got the first prize in this competition photography theme ecology restoration. So all the 3 competitors, good luck, and you've done a wonderful job. And then whoever participated in this photography sessions with a theme, with a good theme, an environmental day, it's really you have done. All of you have done a wonderful job. So once again, thank you very much. All the best. I expect Murali, this 10 years achievement, probably whatever you have done, you are going to exponentially achieve this within a couple of years, probably going forward in the new campus. Hoping to get the new campus as early as possible. Once again, thank you very much. Over to
Thank you, Professor.
Madhavi.
Thank you, Professor. Thanks for all your wonderful encouragement and blessings, all the support. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request Anbalagan sir to please address the gathering. I know everybody wants to hear. He's one of them who was there right from the inception of the organization. Sir, please, sir. Vijaya ma'am also can join. Vijaya ma'am.
She's
Actually, I
here.
call her Vijaya. Now, since we are on this platform, I'm adding ma'am also.
Yeah, very, very good afternoon to all of the guests and also the participants of this today's eventful morning. It's none other than the 10th anniversary celebrations of Learners PU College, a journey a person who has watched very close, from a residential house to a institution, from an institution to a bigger organization. I see the growth should be going on. Any organization's growth, productivity depends upon the people who are involved, and it is a very collective effort, like Madhav, Swami, Nagaraj, and the huge faculty people. But a special mention, the effort of our Murali and Madhavi, and recent days Mayank. I call them now 3Ms. Okay, these people, I see a undying passion in you, growing day by day. It never decided you, and I think this is the main reason we are here today. Thanks a lot for this uninterrupted passion, sir, especially, and ma'am, the full backbone of him. Celebrating a 10-year anniversary is a milestone. Itself is a big achievement. 10 years of togetherness, 10 years of making dreams come true, 10 years of sharing, 10 years of trust, 10 years of ups and downs, finally 10 beautiful years. Happy 10th anniversary, sir. Amazing day to be remembered. It has been an honor to be connected with Learners PU College from its inception and see its growth. Even though the initial hiccups, to be precise, it's the undying passion of Murali and Madhavi, the institution has reached this milestone. The aim of any school is to provide students a strong foundation comprised of knowledge and life skills, which are the primary tools for success in life. This never being an easy task, of course, PU Learners College continues to address this challenge by bringing high-profile people from the society to meet the students and address them in between their regular classes, and also they have conducted innumerable competitions and also the programs to make aware the students what the society needs. Today morning, I had goosebumps when I saw Nandan speaking so fluently, and the way he was, the tune what he had, all I just flashed in front of me, because he was very close to me whenever I visited Learners PU College. A very tiny and puny fellow. Now he is leading a team. That's what is all about Learners PU College. Murali is always in search of highly qualified and passionate teachers. Always the team is the motor that drives the program. So he always connects people. I don't know where he gets the energy to meet people and bring different kinds of people to this institution, so that the children are directly exposed to the present day's requirement. It's awful and always amazing to see his passion towards this educating students. And he goes to, most of the time I've traveled with him to rural areas where he picks up students. I've seen them, students who don't have a specific understanding about mathematics, to perform the simple additional, subtraction, and multiplication. They enter the college. When they go out, I've seen many of them. One is Hari, I think. No, Hari, who I don't know. I may miss the name also. Now is something different. I used to meet him, and some children, they come voluntarily and say, "Anbu sir, how are you?" I had to recall their face and then think, "Oh, you're from Learners PU College." That's the feedback I'm getting. That's all because of your hardworking and sincere thoughts about the society, to help the society. Even though you had a luxurious and very high-profile job in a very, very household name called Infosys, I don't think many will leave this job and take this type of passion. I don't know. I know what difficulties you have faced, but not this 10 years, sir. Even after 100 years, this Learners PU will have its own name and etched in the future of Mysore, especially. To solidify this institution, it's a challenge, and prepare students for their success. It's a huge Herculean task, because nowadays students have everyone is very, very fond of this Google teacher. Everyone thinks that by Googling one can become masters. I can tell you, you can be a instant master, not a permanent master, by using Google. So you need teachers, you need gurus like this who are passionate about to create a person from the very, very initial levels. I'm proud to be associated with Learners PU College in whatever manner at any point of time. PU College is a center of educational process, and on the other hand, challenge the students with different perspectives. May this entire fraternity grow, create a huge population which understands this basic understanding of humanity and living in the society. I profusely thank all this faculty and Learners PU College, the hallmark like Murli and Madhvi and Mayank, for giving me this opportunity to address on this day. And I would like to thank few words from my wife, Vijay Lakshmi, who is happened to be the connection to Learners PU College.
So first, let me congratulate you on your special day, Murli sir and Madhavi sir. It's Madhavi ma'am, and it has been very good to be associated with you all. I know 10 years is a very long time, and they have taken these strides with ups and downs, but they've always faced it with a sweet smile and the passion in their faces. That's how they made it seem that 10 years just flew off for the onlookers. And I just remember the students of the first batch, the bubbly ones. They were there with them when they grew, and they have grown too very well. It was a very nice moment to see Nandan and Suchitra, and I think, of course, many of them will be coming in the sequence now. Very happy to see them, and all this credit goes to Team PU Learners College. And I wish you both and the team success in the future, and to continue this passion and efforts for the children's dream to come true. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijaya. Thank you, sir. We are associated not 10 years, it's 15 years. You remember 2006 onwards, we are associated.
I don't want to share this story. It's already there.
Yes. Our children are growing together, I can say.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much.
So, thank you for all your wishes, and definitely Learners has crossed this milestone because of all such well-wishers, all our supporters, all our teachers. Thanks a lot once again to all. Now we have a very beautiful dance performance from one of our alumni right from Vizag, and I would request to play. Her name is Sunena, and when she was here, beautiful dance performances. We saw all the classical forms, And today also one of the classical piece she is bringing right from Vizag. Over to Sunena.
स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा मधुरापुरि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा मधुरापुरि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा मधुरापुरि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा भोगदात सुलभा सुपुष्पगन्धकलभा भोगदात सुलभा सुपुष्पगन्धकलभा कस्तूरि तिलक महिमा मम कान्तनन्द गोपकन्द स्वागतं कृष्णा
Thank you, Sunena. It was beautiful. And she's a trained Kuchipudi dancer as well. Very well with academics, very well with classical forms. Overall, I feel very proud to say that Sunena is our student, our alumni of 2019 batch. Now, I would like to have some more results announced. This essay competition was conducted by Pratibha ma'am and Indumati ma'am, wherein many students had participated. I request Nishant K. Gautam sir, the Learners Advisory Board member, to please announce the result. Nishant sir.
Okay, very good afternoon to all of you. Before I make the announcement of the result from essay competition, I would love to share just few words. Today, Learners PU College is celebrating its 10th anniversary, 10th year anniversary, and 10 years. I mean, it's a significant milestone. I would not say just 10 years, it is 3,650 days of passion, endurance, sacrifice, hard work, and commitment demonstrated by Mr. Murli, Madhavi ma'am, and his entire team. Friends, when you see, behind any successful company or individual, or rather I say that an institution, always there is a team behind the journey. So with full honesty and sincerity, I can say that the success of learners is attributed to the wonderful team of faculty members, students, and parents. I will not be wrong if I say that it is just that trust, respect, care, zeal to achieve something, and above all, I can say that the single most goal you all have for this institution is what makes learners what it is today. Friend, to drive this highly talented and energetic team, a navigator who can steer this ship in the right direction and sailing the ship safely through the storm. It is a storm when it is needed. I get the feeling that Mr. Murli, in all aspects, he is the navigator, who has risked several times, took many difficult decisions, believed in his ability, and most important, he took care of the whole team. This is why I say that learners today stand so tall among so many competing PU college across Karnataka and India. And not to forget, Mr. Murli is also heavily supported full time at work and at home by extremely skilled and dedicated Madhvi ma'am, without whom this journey would not be so smooth at all. So my best wishes and good luck to Mr. Murli, Madhvi ma'am, and the entire team of learners for their grand success till date, and of course bright future going forward. So I would love to make the announcement of the result now, and I can see that competition category is in essay. Theme what was chosen was ecology restoration, and I would like to call upon the third prize goes to Suchita MN. Good luck and best wishes to Suchita. The second prize goes to Jitesh Utaya. Good luck, Jitesh. And in this category, the first prize goes to Pragati. Good luck and best wishes to Pragati. Thank you, all the winners, and best wishes to all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nishant sir. What you said is absolutely true. It's definitely everybody is telling it is Madhvi and Murli. Like, definitely not. It is Murli sir's dream, Murli sir's thought. Because once, first, when he told me, let's start this educational institution, and I started laughing at him, like, are you sure what you're speaking? You know what you're speaking? Because my impression of starting an educational institution is by any politician or any big businessman. We are normal people. You work at Infosys, and at that time I was a housewife, and like, what are you saying? Do you think it's possible? But I really want to add this line here that I respect Murli sir for this one thing, that he says nothing is impossible if you decide it in your mind. And I believe that line like anything. Otherwise, I was like, I cannot imagine a normal person like us can start the institution. So it's not that what we need. It's what we need is actually the guts and the mindset, right mindset, that yes, we can achieve it. So I really want to tell that Murli sir. Usually I don't tell him such things. I always nag him some, like, late wives are always there to nag, I guess. But I really want to tell, this is what I felt first day when he told me, let's start an educational institution. And I was like, surprised, is it a joke or what? But I'm very happy because this has brought so much of joy in our life, so much of engagement, so much of interaction with the students and all the people, well-wishers like you, which all actually makes our day, makes our life more beautiful. I'm very happy, and Nishant sir has rightly put it. He knows how to put the words properly. Thank you, sir.
And I must say here, thank you, Nishant. I cannot express in words how grateful we are. He is there always with us. He is kind of a mirror to me. If I want to talk something, I'll talk to Nishant. So all the time, midnight. Sometimes our conversations will go for hours. Thank you, Nishant, for all your kind support and guidance throughout this journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So we have one more alumni, very, very active and interested. We have many alumni sessions. So, but we picked few for this event, and as the following events we'll have a few more. I request Shema from batch 2014-16 to share her thoughts, dear. Shema?
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Hello everyone, this is Kshema. I'm currently working as an associate software engineer in Accenture Bengaluru, and I graduated from Learners in the batch 2014 and 16, and I completed my engineering in the GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women, Mysuru, in the year 2020. And I'm really excited. I can't explain how excited I am to speak here today. Am I audible? Okay, yeah. To talk about learners, there are a lot of things to say. Like, as I already said, I graduated from learners in the year 2016, but I still feel like it was just yesterday. I really can't believe it's already been 5 years since I graduated from learners. I had a great journey from learners and great memories and learnings for life. And the teaching faculties, the way they teach, the quality of teaching, and the learning methodologies, and all the great efforts from the entire learners family has got learners to great heights, I can say. I am stressing on learners family because learners never made us feel it's just like any other institution. We really felt like it's a family, and Madhvi ma'am, Murli sir made us feel like their own child. So yeah, I'm very thankful for them. I personally have very good memories from learners. My team and I used to organize many events in college with the support of college, and I used to do the anchoring of the events, and those were the good days to cherish, I feel. And also there are many things to share, in fact. One thing which I would like to share at this moment is the one thing which Murli sir taught all of us in PU, that is 5W1H methodology. I always use that in my life, even in my day-to-day life also, because it has impacted me a lot. Because it questions us how to do, what to do, and everything. So I feel it's definitely helpful, not only in studies, but also in our life also. And also the mind maps. Yeah, we used to write mind maps for each and every lessons. I still have the copies of the mind maps which I had written in my PU. Yeah, all those days really are amazing to say. And when I heard that learners had completed 10 years of its journey, I was like, yeah, amazing. Really, it's just because of the hard work of and dedication of Murli sir, ma'am, Madhvi ma'am, and the entire learners family and their efforts. I know, I'm damn sure, with no doubt, that learners will definitely go to great heights with all of their support. And I feel lucky to be a part of learners, and I can feel goosebumps when I talk about learners. And thanks for all the amazing journey from learners. Yeah, if you leave me, I'll talk for the entire day. Yeah, but yeah, to summarize, it was an amazing journey though. And thanks to the entire team for being so supportive in our journey of PU. And I wish a good luck for the entire team. And not least but not the least, I wish a good luck to each and everyone for your exams and your future endeavors. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Kshema. You are always our pleasure. We always feel joy in interacting with all our alumni. And I also forgot to mention, she is an employee of Accenture right now. And for us, when I see her, like, okay, Kshema is sitting in the class, let's start the chapter, is what feel I get. But I keep forgetting now she is an employee of one of the IT company. Very happy to know about it. We also have Ritvik Bharadwaj, who is right now pursuing his studies, his engineering, but also working. He's an entrepreneur. I still remember when he was in PU second year, he showed me a YouTube channel where he created one video of hacking a mobile phone. He was a second year student, and I was saying, dear, you have not completed your even PU and you're already into all these things. He says, ma'am, it's so interesting. I really, then he started explaining and on and on. And I said, Ritvik, I think another 2 or 3 months only, I can call you my student. After a few months, you will be my teacher and I'll be your student. And no doubt right now he is my teacher because he teaches me so many new technologies. I am an outdated version of technology right now. Ritvik, I want you to please address the whole gathering, and I'm a very proud teacher of yours. Please go ahead, dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Ritvik. I am from the batch 2017, and I'm about to graduate from NIE Mysore as a computer science engineer. I got reconnected with Murli sir in the month of August, I believe, of 2020. And when I was in the call, the first thing which I told him is, sir, I'm actually improved a lot. Number two is I still use 5W1H framework. That was the first thing. If sir remembers, that was the first thing which I told, right? Because I take few sessions to my juniors and explain few things. I'm very passionate about teaching, right? So that's what I could remember. And we had so since I'm also primarily a full stack developer, also a content creator, and designer at the same time. I also love music. I'm a violinist as well. So since I was a full stack developer and had some experience building some products before, we thought, why not build something for our learner students? And we started spending some time and in brainstorming and trying to build a product for our learners family at the same time for other students in the future, right? And it was great. So one thing which I could observe in him, right, so which everyone should try to understand, is his constant effort to learn latest things, or to be like, he never stops learning, right? So when I told him few tech jargons like GitHub or Flutter or DevOps, right, my parents might be like, what is this? I don't know, I'm not interested. But he was very keen on understanding what is that and reading about it, and also correlating with his time of technology, right? So which you need to understand, guys, that the learning happens only because of correlating with things, right? And correlating, and always you should constantly keep on learning. So that was my experience. And speaking of my learners time, I was kind of introvert person. I was only open in Madhavi ma'am's sessions most of the times, and I remember how she used to tell stories while teaching at the same time, explaining few concepts. I still believe K-map pointers and a few things which used to teach. It was very amazing staying there, right? So she was very encouraging and motivating as well, right? For the things which the reason why I'm here is I can say that she has motivated a lot. And whenever my mom, right, whenever someone asks where should someone join, she usually just tells that my bacha has improved a lot staying in learners. I would always recommend you guys to put your bacha also here, right? So it is one of the things. So again, huge shout out to both the couples for being insanely motivated and hustling from the past 10 years to build a very quality of education and fixing fundamental problem in students. And also all the teachers who have supported this vision. It's huge, guys. So again, a great day to have for us. And for the next decade, I'm sure hybrid learning is the way to go. And I'm sure we'll have a lot of things to know about while we reconnect next time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Ritvik. We're really proud of you.
Thanks a lot, Ritvik. So I also have one of our new family member, I can say. She is Dr. Nagmani ma'am, MD from UK. Her students are also part of learners right now. So they are also pursuing classes here. They are high school students. I request Nagmani ma'am to please address the gathering. And again, I see that passion in Nagmani ma'am. She's a doctor, she's an MD. But I can see that passion for education is like tremendous. So I request Nagmani ma'am to please address.
Is she there?
Yes, I guess she's there. Ma'am is there. I saw her.
Madam, are you there, madam? I know it's getting late.
Yeah, it's time zone, time difference is there. She's from UK.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sure.
She's there?
Ma'am is there, yeah.
Let me call her.
Okay, I'll.
She can't speak. She cannot speak. What she says.
Okay, there is some technical problem that we'll just see, and I really request Nagmani ma'am should talk.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. No problem.
Yes. But we'll see. We can resolve, and we'll request ma'am also to address us. Up next, we have the results of quiz, which was conducted by Suchitra ma'am and Tejaswini ma'am with the help of Shiv Shankar sir. So I really appreciate the trio effort, and it was really amazing. 1.5 hours it went to the second round, and I thoroughly enjoyed that quiz competition. I request Mr. Balasubramaniam sir, ex-DGM of L&T, to announce the result. Balasubramaniam sir.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
You're able to hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
We cannot
Thank you
see
for.
I also want to mention, sir, just one thing, sir. Just 1 second. So
Yes.
from L&T, our students received scholarships. More than 45 students every year, 20,000 rupees. So sir is behind that. Thank you, sir, for all your wonderful support for our rural children. Thank you, sir. Please go ahead.
Thank you. It is not my only contribution is I supported, but L&T is the main people. They are my L&T management. They are given this all the resources. Thank you. And congratulations to both of you, Madhavi Madam, Murali sir, and all your the teammates for completing 10 years. So, see, this ecology restoration theme is very close to my heart. When I was in L&T, I did a lot of initiatives in greening the campus. So, thank you for giving me this theme. So, here the competition category is quiz. Theme is ecology restoration. And congratulations to all the participants and also the winners, because participation and also practicing is very, very important. So here I'm going to announce the prizes. The third prize goes to Sinchana Raj. Congratulations, Sinchana. And the second prize goes to Shishira. Congratulations. And first prize goes to Darshan H. Girigowda. Congratulations to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Up next, we have one more dance performance, beautiful dance performance by Chandana of PU second year. Chandana, I request you to please on your video and let's have your performance. Chandana, we can't see your video. It's looking black. We can't see your video properly here. Video, we can hear your music. We can't see your video. It's completely blank.
Ma'am, can you see now?
No, my dear. I can hear you loud and clear, but not the video.
And now?
Still not.
Okay, Chandana, maybe once it is resolved, we will see. Let's move on. It's okay. Let's move on. We are a little late.
Okay.
Chandana, once it is resolved, let us know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Let's move on with that.
Yes. So up next we have Mr. Ahalad Reddy, the Managing Director of New Wave India, and we request you to please address the gathering as there is a long association of New Wave India with Learners Digital. Over to you, Mr. Ahalad.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to have you all join this glorious 10-year anniversary celebrations of the Learners PU College. So just going to talk a little bit about the Learners Digital Platform, the next stage of the vision that Murali sir has. So Learners Digital Platform has been designed with the goal of extending the learning beyond the classroom and conference rooms. So it facilitates e-learning and on-demand learning, which bridges the gap between instructional methods and also self-study. So this platform has been designed with all the principles that Murali sir and Madhavi ma'am have learned through vast corporate training and also immense educational experience. So this platform accelerates the digital transformation of the classroom learning. As you have known, the past 2 years have been all virtual learnings. So this idea to bring a digital platform uh, would actually help all the future students to have on-demand and on-demand learning along with self-study. So we at New Wave and Onyx have been using the Learners Digital Platform already. We use the platform for our client trainings and knowledge transfer for our employees. So after incorporating this platform into our practice, we have witnessed increase in client satisfaction and client success. So this learners digital platform, it's not just for K to 12, but it's something beyond that. The core concept behind the entire platform is learning. Anything can be learnable, and all the principles that Murli sir has designed and that Madhavi ma'am has implemented, starting from mind maps to 5W 1H, we have been implementing within our corporate platform too. And as for our employees, the KT process has been seamless and extremely efficient. We're saving hundreds of hours on onboarding and training time for our new employees. It also frees up a lot of our productive time of our team leaders and managers, which is making us much more efficient and productive at planning our time. And we're emphatically looking forward to additional great features that are in the way for Learners platform. And this Learners platform I believe, is going to be one of the major competitors in the market within the next few years. I see great potential in it and also promise in the Learners Digital Platform, and I wish all the great success to both of you, ma'am and sir. And I also wanted to tell you more. I've been hearing about Murli sir's vision in this meeting along, but I see a duo here. I see Murli sir's vision and ideas, but the implementation part is coming from Madhavi ma'am. So until unless both of them are not done properly, you cannot achieve it. And this 10 years of success basically stands out as the result of the vision that Murli sir has developed and the immense amount of hard work that Madhavi ma'am has put in to make this successful. And I wish both of them all the very best, and hoping to see our Learners Digital Platform transform the learning just beyond our college and trying to touch as many students as we can in the next few years going forward.
Thank you. Thank you, Ahlad.
Thank you, Allah. Thank you very much. So Allah has given us a wonderful opportunity for our students. Just for your information, currently there are about 15 students we have recruited in Mysore from different engineering colleges, and they are being trained in technologies. They are very, very highly paid jobs, and all these people would be working for US-based company called New Wave Technologies. And Ahlad actually has brought New Wave from US to India, and he's leading the team here and forming the India operations. I'm very glad to associate with Ahlad. Now actually he's my boss here for New Wave India.
Yes,
and he's
you're
very
my mentor.
yeah, thank you. It's great working with you, and thank you for your support for our learners alumni. In fact, Ritvik also has worked as an intern, and many people are working. So thank you. Thanks for giving opportunity for our students. Thank you very much.
Thank you for associating, sir.
Thank you, Ahlad. So I request Chandana, if your video is on, can we have your performance? Ma'am, can you see me? No, beta, I can't.
Oh.
I can hear you. I can't see you.
Maybe disconnect and join back, Chandana.
I did, sir, but I don't think it's helpful.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, what we did is earlier, if at all such problem happens, we asked her to send her recorded video. So can we play the recorded video of Chandana? Because I'm excited to see her dance. She's a beautiful, beautiful dancer. Sound. Beautiful, Chandana. I could see that energy. I can call you as a spring, and I hope I'll have such a flexibility in the near future. So we'll
Thank you, ma'am.
learn from.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Up next, we have the Learners Digital Team introduction by Apurva Behera. And I was waiting for long to introduce Apurva to all the team members. So today, all my students, all our well-wishers and teachers, please, she is Apurva Behera working on the Learners Digital front. I want you to introduce yourself and all the team members. Over to you, Apurva. And we have Prerna also. They are sisters. Good. Hi, dear.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. And so privileged and honored to be part of this, event today, and to see all the celebration and the, alumni speaking is such a good feeling. And I'm also so proud to present our Learners Digital team. So I'll try to share my screen. Ma'am, maybe you'll have to make me presenter so I can present my. And
One second.
Yes.
This is always the third line Apurva speaks whenever we have a conversation. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? I'll share my screen. So I could recall that. Yeah, I'm ready. Yes, Apurva.
I'll also request my team members if they can switch on their, video. We can see them also. So I hope you're able to see. Yeah. So our Learners Digital team is like a new team right now, I would say, that has come together to kind of, refresh the look of Learners Digital. So we are trying to build with the newest features and more interactive features on our platform. So this is about. So firstly about me, I'm an ex-Infoscion and an Agilist. I've been part of ETA, Education Training Department of Infosys. So almost the same time when Learner started, I also started my career. So it's been 10 years for me as well. And I'm so proud to have this opportunity to join as a lead developer and to, have the helms of the Learners Digital project as it is coming. So, and also I've added some quote about what I believe. And so, as part of Learners also, I was so happy and inspired to see that the same beliefs are there in Learners. Learn to learn methodology and the 5W1H. All those ideas were so inspiring to me, and that is also one reason why I wanted to join this college and organization as an IT professional as well as an educator. So I believe everyone is a lifelong learner and educator, and this company and this team and family is also giving us a lot of opportunities to do that. So I hope we, grow a lot together. The next person in the team is Sri Kumar. Sri, if you're there, you can say hi. So I've added a quote from him. He has over 25 years of experience as an entrepreneur, as a product manager, an analyst, and he's our main consultant strategist, we call him. So his idea, he has mentioned, that's what I've written, was, he thinks to help someone else achieve their dream and their true potential is, one of the best things that someone can do. And that's his reason that, he's part of Learners. So this was Sri Kumar. Then we have Mohan Krishna, sir. I hope, Mohan, sir, you're here on the call.
Yeah, I'm there, Apurva. You can probably see my camera
Yes,
also. Yeah. Okay. So it's been wonderful to be associated with Murli in the education journey has started and so successfully carrying on. So congratulations to both the Murli and Madhavi, as well as everybody who's part of the Learners team. Okay, so as they say, behind every successful man, there's a woman. But I can see Madhavi being left front and center of the whole journey. So I'm sure both of their efforts has brought the Learners PU College to its current state, and then all the other things that they are planning, I'm sure will culminate in a wonderful educational experience for all the new generation of people. Yeah, so that's it from me for now.
Thanks, sir. So Mohan sir is our, he's our advisor. He's also an architect, and his whole career he has been an educationalist. So he's helping us out, kind of design and go ahead with the development and the features of the app. So going ahead, we have also Noorul, who is our UX design expert consultant, and he's currently working as a consultant, but as much a part of our team. So he gives us ideas on the UX design, the flows. So if you see very interactive, all those designs come into our app, part of it would be Noorul's, expertise. So this is about Noorul. I think Noorul has not joined today, unfortunately. Okay, so next we move on to our interns who have joined us. So proud to talk about them. The first part is the marketing and branding team. So we have two interns from IIT Kharagpur, both of them. First is Prerna, who is my sister. She's sitting here. So yeah, she's part of marketing and branding. Okay. She says about herself that she believes in perfection and logic, creativity and organization. So not just doing poster designing and some of the marketing campaigns that you have seen for learners, and you will see for Learners Digital. She is taking part, and also she's multi-talented. She's also helping with the development as well right now. So that's about Prerna. And Nishita, if she's here, I can't see her video. I think she's also joined. She's also a student at engineering student at Kharagpur, and she calls herself engineer in the making. And she's also very interested and keen in designing and branding and marketing. Hi, Nishita, I can see you.
Hello.
Next, we have our web developers. So the people who are trying to build the platform, the new platform on Moodle, open source platform that we are using. So first person is Venkatesh. Venkatesh, are you here? Okay.
Hello.
And Shreya, we can see Shreya here. Hi, Venkatesh. So both of them are students at Kharagpur as well. Venkatesh calls himself an enthusiastic learner and an admirer of what nature beholds. So a nature admirer, really good to know. And Shreya, Shreya is our web developer as well. Adaptable, energetic, sociable, and joyful. That's what she calls herself. And she's also a dancer. And I think few members of our team are actually part of the dance technology team at Kharagpur. So they all dance together and now they're working together. So really good to see that. And finally, our multi-talented graphics, UI designer, and video editor, Ajit. Okay, we can see you, Ajit. Hi. So Ajit says he's very interested in everything artistic. So he's a dancer, he's an artist, and also cartoonist. He calls himself a cool, creative, efficient, hardworking, and organized person. So nice to have you, Ajit. So that's about our team. I thought I'll just include a quote, about teamwork. So I think this is the, only the beginning for us, for our team to come together, the Learners Digital team and the vision. Now we have, just started, but I think once we progress, we will see a lot of improvement and growth within each of us and also the Learners family. So again, congrats to the Learners family and very happy to be part of this. I can see Sri Kumar has also joined. Hi Sri, we missed you.
I was always there, but I could not switch on the video for some reason.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm there. Thank you for the good introduction. Thank you. And congratulations, Murali sir and Madhavi ma'am and the entire Learners PU team. It's a great job. I've been, on and off getting associated with the team wherever possible. I kind of try to contribute. It's a very little contribution when you look at the massive thing that's been achieved. That's a great thing. And again, congratulations to the team and all the very best. I'm sure, under the able leadership of Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am, the college will achieve great heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri. And thank you, everyone. I'll stop present. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Thank you, Apurva, for introducing the whole team member in a very creative way. It's a long pending thing that I was waiting to introduce you all to the learners family. And happy to see such a creative team and very young, energetic team. So I also feel like I'm young right now. Thank you.
I just wanted to say one sentence. Just 1 month, just 1 month back, Apurva joined. In such a quick span of time, she created this entire team, bringing people from IIT Kharagpur, very highly talented people. Today you have seen invitations, all of those things, right? All these competitions, posters, all of that. It's all, things from this team, especially Nishita. So she worked, and also the other people are working, on a lot of other things. Last 1 month, so much is happening. Really appreciate Apurva, your leadership, and Sri Kumar's and Mohan Krishna sir guidance. Really appreciate, and this young people from IIT Kharagpur, they're doing excellent job. And I want you people, all of you, to interact with our students. I already mentioned to students that we should interact with students from IIT Kharagpur once. We will arrange one exclusive session with our students. Thank you very much.
Thank you all. Thank you.
And welcome to Learners Family.
Yes, welcome to Learners Family. That's what we usually say, but we have been meeting online only all the time, never physical. But I think this is the new normal. We have to accept it. So welcome to family. So up next we have the results of poster making. But before that, let me also tell you, we have our Mr. Babar Ali, the youngest headmaster, who will be addressing us all. So I know the event is going a little getting extended actually, but all the good things, it takes time. So we need to wait and we need to hear Mr. Babar Ali sir also. But right now, let us have the results of poster making, wherein Kalpana ma'am and Yogesh sir has tirelessly collected and took all the details. And we had ma'am's husband who helped us to judge. So great thanks to all this trio to come out with these results. I request Nandakumar sir to announce the results of poster making. And Nandakumar sir is always, right now we can see the ray of light is coming from the back side, but he's always like a ray of light for us. Any problem, Nandakumar sir, what shall we do? He is always having the solution. Amazing sir, but we can't see your face. The ray of light is from the back. So can we just tilt the camera a little bit? We can't see your face. Like we can see you, not the face. Yeah, great.
Yes, now I can see you.
But he's always smiling. Always a person with solution all the time. You tell him any problem, there is a solution for him. Over to Nandakumar sir.
Sir, we cannot hear you, sir.
Sir, the audio is not audible.
Kindly unmute.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, we cannot hear you, sir. Nandakumar sir.
Looks like he's still on mute.
Yeah, it's working. Sir, can you speak now?
It's on mute.
Yeah, it's on mute. Is it okay?
Sir, you need to unmute.
Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, Nandakumar sir.
No, he has unmuted. Yes.
Yeah. Let us.
Okay. We'll do that later. Next.
Okay, Nandakumar sir, we'll just take some time, give some time for you to figure out that. We request our Star sir, I can always call Babar Ali sir as a star sir, because I always feel there is so much of vibrant in Babar Ali sir's face. So sir, I want you to please on your video and address our all student community. They are eager to listen to you, Babar Ali sir from West Bengal. He is connecting right now with us. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Is it,
Good afternoon, sir.
hello? Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, good afternoon. Yes, and namaskar. Thank you very much for your invitation. So, at first, my sincere respect to Honorable Founder Murli sir, Principal Madam, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Karnataka, and my best wishes to all the students, former students and present students of Learners PU College. I always remember my first visit in Learners PU College in the year of 2017. And since then, I have the good connection with Murli sir. And during this pandemic, we have lots of plan like Learners digital platform. He already introduced with me also. So I think as soon as the situation is going to be better, then we can work together. And now today, Learners is going to celebrate their 10th anniversary. And of course, how Murli he started this institution, we already came to know. And so I am not going to speak so much today. My best wishes is always for Learners PU College. And in near future, I also want to work with Murli sir, because he's very
I
much.
think we lost the audio, sir.
Babar, can you hear us?
Yeah, hello.
Babar, we lost you for a few seconds, for almost 30 seconds.
Okay, so my wishes for Learners PU College, and near, because
I think some network issue, Babar.
So I want to add on to what Babar sir was telling. So it's I think sir is here.
Yeah, Babar, you can go ahead now. There was some network issue.
I think.
Yeah. Babar, can you hear us?
I think there is some connectivity problem there, but I would definitely like to say, whenever I see Babar Ali or I listen to him, I always get this thought that simple living and high thinking. This is how we all should be. And it's a great inspiration to always interact with sir. And I want all the students who are listening right now, this is how we should live our life. That's really amazing how sir inspires at such a young age. He is a legend for everybody, not only in India, all over the world. So we are very happy. Considering such a beautiful characteristics of Babar Ali sir, we have come out with a very unique activity that I request Shiv Shankar sir to announce it to all the gathering here.
Babar, can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear you. I can hear
sorry,
you. Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, we lost you something. If you want to say, please continue. Now we can hear you.
Okay, so I am not going to speak so much. So my best wishes for Learners PU College, and you already shared with me some of your mission, upcoming mission and vision, like Learners digital platform. and your new institution that you want to build very soon. And I hope I will work with you. So, uh, so, so I am also planning to come in Mysore again, and we will discuss more. So today I am going to send my best wishes and to all of your students, and my sincere respect to all of your teaching and non-teaching staff, parents at your institution. And I always remember your hospitality and the good experience as well as the memory from 2017. That was my first visit at your institution in Mysore, Karnataka. So thank you very much, and thank you very much for your invitation also.
Thank you, Babar. Thank you very much.
It was
We are
our
looking
pleasure.
forward.
Yeah, it was our pleasure having you, sir, and we are looking forward for your arrival once again. All those batch students, when they were present, when you arrived, they all remember. It's a memory that we met Babar Ali, sir, and I'm waiting for my new batch also to have this
Yes.
beautiful memory of interacting with you personally. So we'll be looking forward for that opportunity, sir. And I request Shiv Shankar sir to announce
Thank
an
you.
event which is being planned.
Can we check now, Nandakumar sir, if it is, sir, Nandakumar sir? Nandakumar sir, can
Yes, sir.
can you hear us? Yeah,
Sir,
yeah, we
am
can
I
hear
audible,
you.
sir?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Let me take this opportunity to first thank Murli sir and Madhavi madam to giving me an opportunity to be before you all. Before that, let me wish them all the best for many, many years to come. It's not just the 10th year. We should be seeing them for many, many years to come. Maybe another 10 decades. If at all I am here, I would wish them all the best, and let learners be growing, whether we are there or anybody is there. Learners should keep growing. Let us all wish them all the best. Anyhow, thank you. And now let me just take the opportunity to announce the prize winners for poster making competition, I believe. Yes. The third place goes to Ashish Joseph. Congratulations, Ashish. The second place goes to Shrishti G. Congratulations, Shrishti. And the first place goes to Harsha TS. Congratulations, Harsha. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nandkumar sir. I request Shiv Shankar sir
Thank you.
to announce the upcoming event that has been planned along with Babar Ali sir. Over to you, sir.
Everybody
Sir,
on this
sir.
wonderful occasion where learners. Yeah,
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
I'm
Sir.
audible. Visible? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. On this auspicious occasion, we have another good program under the head of learners, which we are planning to bring it on 15th of July, which is supposed to be the National Skill Day. On that day, we want to start a new program where we are going to add skills to the students of learners. We want to have a new mentoring program. Myself and Mr. Babar Ali, under his guidance, we just want to bring up a new thing where we wish to ensure that there is a few good students, and along with those good students, there should be other students also who should be equally good with them. We want to grow, and we want others to grow along with us. We want to ensure that nobody is left behind. So we want to have a one-to-one mentoring program where Babar Ali will be heading the team, then I will be there, and then there'll be some faculty mentors, and then we have a new concept of the peers exchanging their views, their skills along with their peers. It is like, you see, when I was a student in my 80s, in my 5th, 6th, and 7th standards, our teachers used to make a team of students where each one of us used to teach the other student. I used to teach the other student about maths or science, and he used to teach me about my handwriting, my skills, my way of keeping the books, how neat, and wrapping it, and other skills and all. So as a team, we used to learn how to be disciplined, how to come on time, then how to maintain our books, how to learn things, how to approach each and every subjects, the languages, then the core subjects, and all these things. So here is again an opportunity that we want to provide to each and every student of learners here as to how you can teach each other among yourselves as students. Then you will be mentored by your faculty. Then beyond them, we have Murali sir and Madhu madam and myself and Babar Ali. We are all will be there with you to ensure that you not only improve your knowledge but also your skills. And from 15th of July, we'll be starting a new thing where every skill of yours will be given a new dimension. It will be fine-tuned to ensure that you come out of learners with a more and better person than what you are now. That's the vision, and that we are going to start from the 15th of July, the National Skills Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for explaining it in detail. So there are a lot more events which will be coming. This is just an inauguration event for our 10 years anniversary celebration. There will be a lot more, and we'll be informing all the students and all the well-wishers about what all events will be coming up. And let's celebrate it throughout the year, because we feel, and again, celebrating with friends and family always makes a celebration special. So I thank every one of you for participating in this celebration and making this a success. And as I said, many more to come, and I request all of you to join with at those events as well. And I thank every participant, every parent, students, and the guests who have come to make this celebration a wonderful celebration. So
Thank you very much.
Thank you one and all.
Sorry for the inconvenience. It got extended so much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks to all of you.
So with this, we'll
Once
come.
more,
Yes, sir.
happy year ahead, ma'am. A fantastic 10th celebration. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And with this, let's conclude the celebration. For now, it's just a pause, but definitely throughout the year, we'll have the events, and looking forward when we can meet physically and have a gala event. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.